In Salesforce, adding an app ID typically refers to creating a new connected app, which allows external applications or services to connect to Salesforce using OAuth or other protocols for authentication. To add an app ID in Salesforce, follow these steps. Log into Salesforce. Log into your Salesforce account as an administrator, as creating connected apps requires admin permissions. Navigate to Setup. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Setup. Search for apps. In the quick find box, type apps and select App Manager under Platform Tools. Create a new connected app. In the App Manager, click on New Connected App to begin the process of adding an app ID. Configure app settings. Enter the required fields for the new connected app, such as connected app name, name of the app, API name, unique name for the app, contact email, your email address for support or communication, OAuth settings. Enable OAuth and configure the required settings. Save the app. Once you've configured the app settings, click Save. Salesforce will generate an app ID and app secret for you. Use the app ID. You can now use the app ID in your external application to authenticate with Salesforce via OAuth.